Good morning, everybody. I am here with my 2003 Pontiac Vibe GT, and as you can see, we have some really ugly looking faded headlights. Beyond that, it appears that at some point this side of the car has been tapped by somebody or hit, and looks like this is pushed in. This right here looks like it's pushed in, and this headlight is actually busted. I don't know if you can see that in there, but there's pieces of plastic floating around in there. This one's fine as far as body work goes, so what we're going to do today is I've got two brand new headlights from Amazon, and we're going to go ahead, we're going to start by getting that one in, just because it's going to be the easier one, and then we're going to come over here and we're going to try to straighten this out, you know, try to get this pushed back where it needs to be, same with this, and then get this hooked back in where it's supposed to be. At least that's the plan. I'm not much of a body guy, so you're gonna have to bear with me here, but this should make a big difference on the look of this car, and obviously I'll be able to see with some clear headlights on here. The car is almost 20 years old, so it's time for some headlights anyway. So let's get those out. I'll show you guys what we're working with here. Eagle eyes. Ooh. That's going to make a huge difference. It's still got the plastic wrap over it, but look at that. I mean, that is massive. Massive difference. So far, I got 2 10s. Looks like we got 1 bolt right here, off the side here, or off the, yep, that's going to be this way. Dang, how do I get to that? I think because we have this disconnected here, it's no longer in place. I think we're just going to go ahead and we're going to pull this whole front bumper balance thing and get it out of the way. That is a huge improvement. It doesn't make an improvement on the crappy paint that's on this thing, but I mean, you got to be able to see. So we got Oh. Oh, I didn't plug that one in. I remember now. I don't remember plugging it in. Hopefully I can still get to the plugs without having to take this whole thing apart.
Hello, darling.
Hello.
What are you doing out here?
I have to be such a creeper. What's up?
Nothing. Who wants to get the soap? What you doing out here?
Oh, I forgot to plug one of my lights in.
Look how nice those look.
I know, look at
Those
that.
look so nice.
Don't they?
What happened here?
Brand new. Makes the paint look even crappier.
Yeah.
That's better than it was. There was a big dent right here.
A dent?
It was pushed in there. It was pushed in there.
Maybe that's why the light was broken on that side.
Probably, yeah. Man, that plug was super hard on both of them. Alright, now we got a running light and our headlight. Here we go. Cool, everything works. Alright, there it is. New headlights on the Vibe. This thing is ready to drive at night again. And just a huge improvement in the look. Although it might make the paint look even crappier than it was. So, yeah, if you guys have any ideas of what I should do with this, I was thinking about just sanding the hood down and painting it black or something. Just because, I mean, the paint chips are all the way down the bare metal and the primer. And they're really extensive across this hood, some huge ones. But yeah, drop a comment below, tell me what you think about this little upgrade here. And thank you guys for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.